In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Apple ID on your iPhone. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your settings, and here at the very top you see your name, your avatar, and you need to tap right here. And there, at the first place, you got this option called Name, Phone Numbers, Email. Select that, and there right here you got your email, you got your phone number, and you need to tap on that edit button, and here you see add email or phone number is appeared. And to add email, I just select that option, and here I can add an email address or can add a new phone number. For example, I will select add email address. Here I need to type in a new email, then I will get a confirmation code to prove that it's me, and then here you will see couple of your emails, and then you will be able to delete old email. For that you need to tap on that red minus icon, and then here you will get just new email left. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.